Please listen to the excerpt from live ATC and describe the situation.
Denver, departure United 328 Heavy Mayday aircraft just experienced engine failure, need a turn immediately.
United 328 Heavy, you want us straight into runway 7?
At immediate, we need to escalate. We need to run some checklists.
United 328 one able fuel and souls on board and intentions.
We'd like to return to Denver as soon as possible here, and we'll get you the souls in a minute.
United 328 Roger, clear to Denver, be radar vectors. Do you want a left turn into the airport right now, or do you want delayed vectors for anything else you might need?
We'll need delay vectors. We need to still run a few checklists and get some landing data.
Okay, I'm just going to keep you in that heading there, left turns all the way around the aerodrome, and whatever runway you line up for and you want, just let me know and we'll make that happen.
28 Heavy, thank you.
How do you weigh the advantages and disadvantages of dumping fuel if this is a case of overweight landing? How do you stay resilient in the time of stress? This was a radio conversation between a pilot and an air traffic controller supposedly shortly after takeoff. The pilot of Flight United 328 in the initial climb out of Denver Airport declared a Mayday emergency, reported an engine failure and requested an immediate return to the airport. The air controller asked how much fuel United 328 had, how many souls were on board and what United 328's intentions were. Then he directed the flow of flight, authorized and regulated pathways for United 328. The pilot subsequently had to delay vectors to run some checklists and get some landing data. I would choose not to dump the fuel for safety and time reasons since the magnitude of the overweight landing is not significant enough to outweigh other factors. The benefit of a fuel dump is that you can avoid overweight landing, which could cause structural damage on landing. On the other hand, dumping fuel does have its drawbacks. It is time-consuming and it affects other planes around you. So, when things are time-critical, we have to simply land overweight without delay. To be on the safe side, I think that the risks from fuel dumping are going to outweigh the benefits in an emergency like this. I would stay resilient to stress and cope with the startle effect by recognizing the situation. To adapt to disruptions, I would also buy more time if possible. More time simply gives us extra space to take some of the pressure off, and that could significantly enhance our ability to make good decisions. In this specific case, I would also delay vectors to run some checklists and decide the best course of action. At the end of the day, it is a matter of mental readiness. It comes with experience. We should get exposure to experiential learning opportunities so that we can sustain operations during unexpected critical events.